Hi, welcome back to the second part of the tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be explaining you how you can create the IdeaMart account and how you need to request for a hosting space required to host the Idea Pro application. So in IdeaMart, if you request for hosting space, you can request for a PHP hosting space, Java hosting space, Node.js or Python hosting spaces. So let's start off with the IdeaMart account creation. If you go to www.ideamart.lk and then go to the login as I am showing you right now, click there and you will be redirected to a page where you need to either enter your mobile number and create an account, or else you can create an account by using mobile the old connect that dialog has provided. So you can choose any of the methods to logging into the system. So if you are using mobile connect, you need to enter your mobile number. To enter to IdeaMart by using mobile connect, you need to have a dialog connection. And if you are using dialog connect the older version, you can create an account by using your email address, but later there's another process that you need to add your mobile details as well. But for now, in this tutorial, I'll be using my mobile number to logging in. So now I have logged into my IdeaMart account. If you are a new user, a fresh user, once you enter your mobile number, you'll get a pop-up screen to your mobile phone to accept it. Once you accept it, you'll be directed to a page where you need to enter few informations such as your name, and if you have a company details, your address details, and especially you need to enter your bank details as well, because as you all know, IdeaMart, when you build an application, 70% of the revenue will go to the service provider and 30% of the revenue will go to the operator. So now I have completed that particular area. Now I have logged into my account, and if once you enter your details and once you have agreed to the terms and conditions, and once you click submit, you will get the same interface as I'm in at the moment. Now this is the part where you create your IdeaMart account. That's the that part is over. Now let's go and request for a hosting space. Log into your email client, and now you need to send an email to devsupport devsupport at ideamart.lk and mention in the subject requesting thing for a hosting space, and it's better to mention what's the account name or the username of your username of your IdeaMart account. That's better to mention, and I'll leave it that for the moment, and you can mention that hi IdeaMart team, please provide me a hosting space hosting space as per below requirement. And you need to mention three areas: your username, IdeaMart username, and if you have used your mobile number, you need to mention your mobile number as the username, and you need to mention, or if you have used the old dialog connect mechanism, you need to mention your email address or the um, particular username that you have used. And here you need to give the language you have developed the application from. Here I'll be mentioning as PHP, and along with the hosting space that you receiving from IdeaMart team, there will be a the there will be a free database as well. So to so give a name to that database as well. Database, I'll mention as Jedi, and thank you, and thank you, and I'll mention as Shafraj. Yeah. Before sending it off, it's better if you can mention your mobile number, contact mobile number, or a contact number as well. If dialogue, any of the dialogue team has queries related to your request, they can contact you back, mobile and contact number. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, and you can hit send. So that's the end of the second tutorial. In third tutorial, let's see how you can provision the application. Before provisioning the application, how you can work with hosting space, and then go for the provisioning.